Samsung is trying to make its best camera experience with the 200-megapixel sensor on S23 Ultra. Despite the fact Samsung already offers so many features with its camera, but now it's beyond the expectations. Thanks to Ice Universe, we have the first look at the camera UI of S23 Ultra. It confirms Samsung has unleashed the beast 200-megapixel camera. This is going to be first time ever on a Galaxy phone that Samsung will unlock two high megapixel mods, 200 megapixel and 50 megapixel on the S23 Ultra. Meaning now we can take photos in 12 megapixel, 50 megapixel and 200 megapixel options, which was missing from the last generation Samsung phones. Actually 12 megapixel is best for low light shots. 50 megapixel is a great balance of HDR and detail, although it's having less image size, and 200 megapixel is special for outdoor conditions where you need the best details. Besides, Samsung would offer these high megapixel in RAW mod, which will unlock the true potential of 200 megapixel. The design renders of Galaxy S23 is here and it is really good. Although it looks exactly like the S23 Ultra, but the size a bit thicker and size are more squared off instead of rounding edges, and the display is a bit flatter than the S22 Ultra. With the side thickness, chances are they're going to get a better cooling system in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The foam viewer of Galaxy S23 lineup is also in making, as you guys should be happy since we are going to get One UI 5.1, instead of One UI 5.0 in Galaxy S23 Ultra. A good news for the next year flagship device is that Samsung is going to collab with Google to give quick OS updates to Galaxy devices, and as per reports, by the end of next year every supported Galaxy device will get Android 14 update. The Galaxy Dream Team is now doing a collaboration with the team behind Google Tensor, as well as the team behind the Radeon GPUs from AMD, to design a chip that will be most optimized ever for Galaxy flagship phones. Well, the source has leaked this diagram, and based on this, it looks like we could be seeing a 10 gold chip. All this will be combined with AMD graphics CPU. Because of the fact Samsung, even after years of research and development, couldn't really deliver the best with Exynos shapes, they could definitely take some help, especially from Google, when it comes to optimizing the chip with the software, considering we have seen the amazing results on the latest Pixel 7 series. If Samsung really wants to overtake the Apple, especially their M series chip, then this would be the best collaboration they can do. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.